Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everybody. My name is Rediva Afsana Pyarka from A3 class. I want to explain the sound of R. How to pronounce the R sound? The R sound is called the alveolar approximant, which means that you put your throat near of the roof of your mouth and voice out. The R sound is made through the mouth and is voiced. This means you use your vocal cord. It is definitely by the position of throat. It is an approximant, which is a sound made by making a narrow space in your mouth through which air flows. In this case, it's the space between your throat and the top of your mouth. To produce the R sound, curl your throat near the roof of your mouth and voice off throat of your mouth. You are aiming for the tip of your throat to be right behind the little ridge behind your teeth, but it does not touch any part of the mouth. For clearly, watch this video.
The R sound. R, robot, R. R sounds R, as in robot. It is fun to play with my toy robot. R in rabbit sounds R. A black rabbit is peeping from its hole. Look at this word, rain. The letter R in rain makes the R sound. How to make the sound? Hold your tongue at the back of your mouth as you say the R sound, as in robot. Let us look at some other words with the letter R that make the R sound. Click on the letter that makes the R sound. River. Click on the letter that makes the R sound. Road. Click on the letter that makes the R sound. Run. Let us look at some other words with the letter R that make the R sound. Click on the letter that makes the R sound. Bear. Click on the letter that makes the R sound. Apricot. Click on the letter that makes the R sound. Pear.
I think it's enough for this material, and I hope this video can be helpful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everybody.